G'day, I'm Ralph Schwarz, welcome to Geoterrics Outdoors Australia. Bought another backpack on the Anaconda website. This Mountain Designs 40 litre daypack was advertised. So they make it so easy to buy, don't they? Anyway, I thought I'd give it a try. It was up around the $80 mark. And I figured, actually I think it was less than that. Just got it out of the bag, it arrived today. I'm reasonably impressed with the build quality and the features list. Let's start. So on the very top it has a very small flat bag pack there, which in the Denali I've been putting my batteries in. I think I'm going to swap this around a little bit. Then you've got another little pouch, so you've got flat one and you've got the little top pouch, which is fairly common, and on top of that you have a little mesh bag on top of that. I'll show you the details so you can see that. That's multi-configuration. I'm really happy with that. Then you get the traditional, if I can find the zippers. They've gone missing. I found them. And you've got basically a top-down stuff bag, which goes to about maybe 3/4 of the way down. It's generous. It's like 40 litres. The whole lot is 40 litres. It's got two pouches, one on either side for the water bottle, the tripod, walking sticks, whatever. That's a little bit, I think I need to take a little bit of care with that. And these straps, although thin, they'll keep that in position. These compression straps basically keep the bag nice and compressed, but keep everything in place, but they also allow whatever's in there to be held fairly tight. So let's have a quick look at the bottom. The thing I like about this particular pack is that it has compression straps at the bottom which can act to hold stuff. So if I actually wanted to do an overnighter or stretching to 2 days, I could put bedroll in there, I could put hammocks inside, but some of the bigger stuff, if I really wanted to take a tent, I've got one tent that I could possibly put in there. Anyway, we'll see what the configuration. I'm going away on the weekend. Well, we're going to do a little bit of a field review of this one as well coming up. Then the bottom you've got the separate compartment which can zip out, so you can make a full cylinder of 40 litres if you wanted to. Great little front bag here. Being used to more conventional backpacks, the business type, I do all my everyday stuff in the front. In these type of backpacks you do it almost all in the top. It saves you bending down, all sorts of mucking around. But this particular pouch here has got a little arrangement there, barcode there, I don't know where that's from, which you could possibly put a tablet, something like that, and pens, knives, fire starters, matches, whatever in there. The material it's made from is a canvasy type. I'm not sure how waterproof it'd be. We'll have to see that in subsequent uses. But generally, it looks okay. So if we have a look at the harness system here, it's the back of it is not adjustable in any way, which is possibly why it was marked down. It's got good padding, and straps are sort of reasonable. The clips look okay. You've got a typical sternum strap, which, I don't know if you knew this, but you can slide them up and down to put them that height on your chest that you want them. And it's got reasonable weight of waist strap, and you've also got a little pocket. It's starting to become a fairly standard feature on most backpacks you see nowadays, is that great little feature. That's just fantastic. So this being a rucksack, almost too small enough to be a knapsack, but let's take it out in the field and see how it performs. Okay, I've had this on now for probably half an hour, the Mountain Designs. I can hardly feel it. It's not quite full to its 40 litres, but it's feeling like I've got about 6 or 8 kilos in here. Very comfortable on the shoulders, very much so, and the hips I can't feel at all. Configured this as low as possible to get the weight down, and the straps and everything are feeling pretty good. All in all, for an everyday bushwalking gear bag, I'd give this a fairly high score. My usual out of 5, I'd give this a 4 out of 5. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, please share it with like-minded friends. Leave us a comment, give us a like, and please subscribe, and thanks for watching.